Today I will discuss conversion of scale or scale conversion. What is scale conversion? Basically we know there are three forms of scale. That is, one is statement scale, second is representative fraction or RF, and third is linear scale. Linear scale is again of different forms or different types. That is simple linear scale, comparative scale, diagonal scale, Barnett scale, etc. etc. Now, most of the times RF scale is to be it is given that one RF form or one RF scale to be converted to a linear form. So, if the problem is like that, draw a linear scale with RF 1 lakh. Then, to show 12 kilometer ground distance, that means it is representative fraction or RF form to the conversion of simple linear scale. Okay, simple linear scale, not comparative scale, not diagonal scale, not Barnett scale. So it is simple linear formations. So what should we do? First we should know what is the meaning of this expression of RF 1:1 lakh. That means scale is the ratio between the map distance and ground distance. Very often this sentence is stated by the students that scale is nothing but the ratio between the map distance and ground distance. Yes, it is correct. 1:1 lakh means 1 centimeter on. If it is 1 centimeter on map, then definitely it will be 1 lakh centimeter on ground. Or it may be 1 meter on ground map, again 1 lakh meter ground. So nothing but the map distance and ground distance. So RF is unit free. If we add unit, then first we should use the same unit from both sides. 1 centimeter on map, that is 1, and 1 lakh centimeter on ground. So 1 centimeter, 1 lakh centimeter. If it is 1 meter, then it will be 1 lakh meter. The conventional form of expression is like that: 1 centimeter on map is equal to 1 lakh centimeter on ground. Because if we say about the map distance, definitely 1 meter is difficult to draw in a map. 1 centimeter is more convenient than 1 meter. That is why 1 centimeter is better than the 1 meter expression. 1 centimeter on map is equals 1 lakh centimeter on ground. So here it is 1 centimeter and that is 1 lakh centimeter. Now, if we like that way, 1 lakh centimeter on ground is represented by 1 centimeter on map. Then 1 centimeter on ground is represented by 1 lakh centimeter on map. Then 12 kilometer. Here it is kilometer, not centimeter. So definitely we should convert that distance 12 kilometer to centimeter. So how to convert kilometer to centimeter? 1 lakh kilometer is equal to 1 lakh centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. So 12 into 1 lakh. Then it will be centimeter. So 12 into 1 lakh centimeter on ground is represented by, definitely it is more than the previous one. So it is 1 into 12 into 1 lakh by 1 lakh. So what will be that? 1 lakh, then 12 centimeters. So it is simple, 12 centimeters. So 12 kilometer on ground will be represented by 12 centimeter on map distance. Now, in a linear scale, there are two types of divisions. One is primary division and another is secondary division. What are these? Primary division and secondary division. Normally, it is the normal practice that there will be minimum 3 primary divisions and minimum or at least 2 secondary divisions. What is primary division? Primary division is the main divisions, and one primary section is again to be divided in some secondary divisions. Normally, one primary division at least to be divided in 2 halves or 2 parts to get secondary division. So, total distance is total map distance is equal to 12 centimeter, and total ground distance is equal to 12 kilometer. That is given. Now, here it is not mentioned how many primary divisions or how many secondary divisions are to be taken. We can take as our choice. There are 3 primary division and 2 secondary division SD. So 1 primary division is equal to 12 kilometer by 3 is equal to 4 kilometer, and 1 secondary division. What is secondary division? Secondary division, that means 1 primary division to be divided again. So 1 primary division is here 4 kilometer. So that 4 kilometer is to be divided in 2 halves. 2 is equal to 2 kilometer. Many students forget to mention this unit kilometer. But they mention kilometer here without writing the kilometer in this case. But it is not true. So 1 secondary division is 2 kilometer, 1 primary division is 4 kilometer. Many students sometimes ask why that ground distance is divided, not the primary, not the map distance. Because on the linear scale, we have to divide the primary and secondary divisions accordingly, but we have to write the value of ground distance, not the map distance. I have already calculated the total map distance is 12 centimeter. That is enough for my drawing. I need not require what is the length of 1 primary division, primary division on map, 1 secondary division on map. That will be generated automatically. But we have to write that ground distance on the body of scale after dividing properly. Okay? So, this is the solution. Now we have to draw the scale. So, what should be done? This is the scale. I am taking reading arbitrarily, but you should take properly by measuring. Okay? This is 12 centimeter. This is 12 centimeter. Okay? Because 12 centimeter is the total distance. So, a linear scale should have some thickness. That thickness will be taken on the basis of your choice. There is no such direction. The thickness will be such and such. Okay? This is the thickness. Now, you can make it half. Okay? Now, there will be 3 primary divisions. How to take that primary division? Be cautious. Many students draw improperly by manipulation. But the geometric procedure to divide a line is like that. I have take a angle here. Many students ask me that angle should be 45 degrees. No. any angular value without measuring you can take. Not 45 degree, not 65 degree, etc. etc. Okay? Then by compass you have to divide this line. Not this line. You have to take 3 divisions. Okay? 1. Same division, same length. 1, 2, 3. Same length. How much? Many will ask 3 centimeter. No, any measurement. Okay, any measurement. So that one, that one, that one. Now you have to join this. How? You have to join this by actually set square. First is linear scale, then set square. So you have to join this by set square. I have no set square. I am drawing arbitrarily like that. But you will do this by set square. Okay? Parallel line, parallel of that line, parallel of that line. Okay? Parallel of that line. Now add these on. So my primary division is over. Here it is 0. Then one primary division is 4 kilometers. So it is 4. 0 to here 4. 4 and 4, 8. Cumulative 8 kilometer. And 0 to here is again 4. 4 kilometer. Okay. Now, what to do? That first primary division is to be divided to get secondary divisions. Secondary division. As per our calculation, there are 2 secondary divisions. Okay. How can we take this division? There are different ways. We can take like this, like previous one. Okay. Like previous one. Take any measurement. 1, 2. Okay. Add this one. And that line should be taken by set square, parallel line. Okay. Sorry. So this line is divided in 2 halves. So we can write here also. So 0 to 4 because 2 kilometer. Okay. So my drawing is over. I can erase this one, this much. Here it is also. Okay. So this is the total drawing. Now for visual attraction, I can do like this. One part is black, alternative bending. Okay. So drawing and calculation is over. I think you understand. RF is 1:1 lab. Thank you.